Today we will learn on the topic of bicycle riding. Earlier times, the parents hesitate to send their child, if it is girl child, to school because the roads are not safe and the girls are not going alone in the school. So nowadays we ride our bicycles on the long road to school. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But now group of 7 and 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads because the roads are very unsafe for the girls earlierly. But now if the girls making a group of 7 and 8 girls are going together, they can keep watching each other and going far school on their bicycle, and they can ride it enjoying able. So the girls are nowadays safe because they are going through bicycle riding on the road. So now here is a question: can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? First one question: can you ride a bicycle? So yes, you have to write over there, yes, I can ride a bicycle. My parents or my elder sister brother taught me to ride a bicycle. Second one: how many children come on bicycles to your school? This question you have to write your own words. Okay, so here our topic bicycle ride is over. Now we will start our next topic, that is jugaad. Now can you tell me what is jugaad? Jugaad means, as you can see, this vehicle which used in village mostly, it carries back motorcycle and run on the road in the Gujarat, mostly in villages. So look at our special transport, it sounds foot when it runs. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of plank of wood. So what is the meaning of plank of wood? Plank of wood means a long thin flat of timber used specially in building and flooring. What is the meaning of plank of wood? Plank of wood means a long thin flat of timber used specially in making building and flooring. Okay, remember always. Now here is also a questions, but first of all, what is the meaning of jugaad? So we can say that jugaad means the vehicle or transport which make through a waste material, and it is used to transport vehicles and things to put on its back and move from here and there. So it means a जुगाड़. अगर आपने कहीं देखा हो इस व्हीकल को, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि भाई कोई भी चीज़ यहाँ से वहाँ लाने ले जाने के लिए स्पेशली ह्यूमन बीइंग्स और दूसरी और भी चीज़ें हैं, जैसे कि है अनाज की बोरियां, फॉर एग्जांपल्स अनाज की बोरियां है, सीमेंट बैग्स हैं, ये सब चीज़ें भी हम लोग इसमें ला सकते हैं, बट इट इज़ स्पेशली यूज फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन टू फॉर ह्यूमन विच मूव फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर इन द विलेज. इट इज़ यूज फॉर that purpose. We can see it is in specially Gujarat. Now here is a question: do you have such vehicles in your area? क्या आपने इस तरीके का व्हीकल अपने आसपास में कहीं देखा है? तो यस, आई हैव सच व्हीकल इन माई एरिया. हाँ, मेरे सराउंड में, मतलब कि मेरे घर के आसपास इस तरीके का व्हीकल मेरे गांव में है. नाउ सेकेंड वन क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैम इन योर एरिया? अगर आपके एरिया में ऐसा व्हीकल है तो आप उसको क्या बोलोगे? आई लाइक बाइक वैन टू राइड इन माई एरिया. सॉरी, अगर आपके इसमें है तो आप उसे क्या बुलाओगे? तो वी कैन कॉल इट जुगाड़ ओनली, बिकॉज वो इसी पर्पज के लिए जाना जाता है. वुड यू लाइक टू राइड इन समथिंग लाइक दिस? वाई? तो यहाँ पे यस आई लाइक बाइक वैन टू राइड इन माई